Hi, welcome to Butterfly Gardening, Attract North American Pollinators. My name is Jessica Morgan McAtee, and I'm a butterfly conservationist.
What's that?
Since 2002, I've been raising butterflies in my backyard. It started out as a hobby, but then I went on to get a job at a butterfly house, and for 7 years, I taught people about butterflies. I went back to the university and studied entomology and horticulture, and now I professionally help people just like you create urban butterfly habitats. It is my goal to help you attract more butterflies to whatever plot of land you've got to work with, or even to a balcony. After taking this course, you will be able to connect to nature in your own backyard. You will know common butterflies in your area, and with the additional resources, you'll be able to attract at least 10 of them to your backyard space. Woo! Studies show that time spent in nature helps us to unwind and clear our mind. Time in nature is refreshing. It can heal us and help us to recreate. You'll be able to attract, observe, and conserve local butterflies. We will cover why butterflies, the butterfly story, butterfly nutrition. Finally, at the end of this course, I'll teach you how to give a gift of a butterfly to a friend.
Wow.
The ideal student is a recreational gardener or naturalist who wants to learn more about butterflies and how to attract them. Thanks for watching this video. I invite you to take this course and watch the wonders of nature unfold.